Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Palit and Gainward SFF-Ready GeForce RTX 40 Series Infinity 3 and Python 3 series graphics card. So friends, both graphics card and design feature an all black finish with no ARGB lighting. This is a stealthy design without unnecessary feature for overclocking that would require sophisticated cooling solution, and the Infinity 3 and Python 3 are simple card designed for users who aren't interested in playing extra virtual features. So friends, a total 12 new graphics card featuring the GeForce RTX 4080 Super, 4070 Ti Super and 4070 Super, and the key takeaway is that all these cards share to the same dimension and design, and however Palit and Gainward has confirmed whether their card non-standard Palit and Gainward has confirmed whether their cards use non-standard GPU configuration, and these 12 SKUs include both OC means overclock and non-OC variant offering moderate clock booster over NVIDIA specification. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.